Best Blueberry Muffins Recipe. Looking for the quintessential blueberry muffins? Look no further. These are hands down the absolute best. Brimming with plump, juicy blueberries, these blueberry muffins boast a tender crumb and a sparkling sugar crust that practically begs you to take a bite. The recipe is simple yet yields incredibly delicious results. The secret? Using both vanilla and almond extracts to flavor the muffins. While vanilla is standard, a touch of almond extract perfectly complements the berries and infuses the muffins with an irresistible aroma. Fresh blueberries are my preference in the summer, but frozen berries work just as well. Just remember to mix them in while they're still frozen because thawing them can cause moisture and natural pigments to be released, resulting in purple muffins. By the way, these blueberry muffins freeze beautifully, so feel free to double the recipe and keep some on hand in the freezer for quick snacks or breakfast on the go. What you'll need to make blueberry muffins. A. 2 cups all-purpose flour, spooned into measuring cup and leveled off. B. 2 teaspoons baking powder. C. 3/4 teaspoon salt. D. 1 stick, half a cup, unsalted butter, softened. E. 1 cup granulated sugar. F. 2 large eggs. G. 1½ teaspoons vanilla extract. H. 1/4 teaspoon almond extract. I. Half a cup milk. J. 2¼ cups fresh blueberries. K. 2 tablespoons turbinado sugar, also called raw sugar or demerara sugar. For cooking. A. Nonstick cooking spray. B. 12 paper muffin liners. Step-by-step instructions. 1. To begin, combine the flour, baking powder, and salt in a medium bowl. 2. Whisk to blend. 3. Beat the butter and sugar for a few minutes until light and creamy. 4. Beat in the eggs one at a time. 5. Then beat in the vanilla and almond extracts. 6. Gradually mix in the flour mixture, alternating with the milk. 7. The batter will be thick. 8. Add the blueberries. 9. Using a rubber spatula, fold the berries into the batter. 10. Spoon the batter into a muffin tin lined with paper liners. It's important to use the liners, otherwise the blueberries will stick to the bottom of the pan, making the muffins difficult to remove. 11. Sprinkle the turbinado sugar over top. 12. Bake for about 30 minutes. 13. Let the muffins cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.